The Art of Woodworking. Free download, link in description. Top 5 Best Compact Router Table. Number 5. Skil Router Table. For any woodworking hobbyist looking for a reliable but affordable router table, this Skil RAS 900 router table fits the bill. This table comes pre-assembled, has an easy mounting system, and can be folded and stored away easily when not in use. It features a smooth laminated MDF top, a starter pin and guard, 2 featherboards, and storage containers for router table parts. This is a great router table, particularly for DIYers and those working on lighter duty tasks. One of the reviewers used it to make shelves for a bathroom remodel and explained, "The mounting bracket fit my router perfectly and the on-off switch in front is incredibly convenient." The table and accessories are sturdy and work very well for smaller projects. Coming in number 4. For a workshop with limited space, or for projects that require the use of a router table at various job sites, this router table by Bosch has an ultra-portable design with foldable legs and an easy-click mounting system. When folded, it can be easily stored away when not in use thanks to its compact size. Its laminated MDF top and adjustable featherboards ensure extra control for precise results. For extra convenience, Bosch has included integrated storage compartments for router table parts and other tools and bits. A happy customer described it as compact, lightweight, easy to use, and quick to assemble, adding that it comes with a ton of hardware. "I've had this thing for a few months and love it, nothing negative to say. Mine is rigged to a DeWalt 1.5 horsepower router that is permanently attached and cuts very clean straight lines into the lumber." Coming in number 3. Kreg Bench Top Router Table. The Kreg PRS 2100 is a strong and durable benchtop router table and is available as a bundle with 2 featherboards, a multi-purpose router table switch, a set of 7 precision setup bars, and a 5-piece twist lock ring set. Kreg's industrial quality makes this benchtop router table an excellent choice for professional and amateur woodworkers. Its extra-large, noise-absorbing MDF tabletop with an easy slide surface offers the capabilities of a full-size router table, but in a portable size. A happy customer wrote, "It was a pleasure to put it together as you will see how well the pieces are built. I ordered the complete set with gauge blocks, switch, inserts, and featherboards. Every piece is solid and works excellently." Coming in number 2. Bosch Cabinet Style Router Table. For extra stability and storage, and better router table dust collection, the Cabinet Style Router Table by Bosch is an excellent choice. Though very similar to the brand's RA1181 model, this version also features an additional dust collection port. The router table cabinet prevents a lot of dust from flying around and offers noise reduction for a more comfortable work environment. This is a great router table for both professional and amateur woodworkers, and one satisfied customer wrote, "Top-notch quality and functionality at a reasonable price. Easy to assemble, easy to mount router, and superb to use with the attached adjustable fence and miter slot. Major head start on successful router usage with this well-designed and manufactured tool." Coming in number 1. Bosch Benchtop Router Table. This durable Bosch router table ensures precision and versatility. Its benchtop router table design features an aluminum top and a rigid mounting router table plate compatible with a variety of routers. To maximize accuracy, the router table comes with an extra tall router table fence and adjustable featherboards. It also comes with a practical accessory slot and a storage pocket for smaller router table parts. One of the many happy reviewers wrote, "I was surprised and impressed with the build quality. The table's surface area is much bigger than I expected. The tabletop and the fence are solid and well built. I expect them to last a very long time. I recommend this to beginners and serious woodworkers alike."